Get back!
Try not to bend it! Don't bend it, actually. Did you bend it? Fireworks! What's that? Is that a stick? Ah! 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 Oh God. Firework!
Oh, it's favourite. It's like Paladin, isn't it? He's like desperate. It's like, I've got this in. Down and right a little bit. Oh, that, yeah.
Oh yeah, I think it is another little stick thing. Oh yeah, it is another. Oh no, it's not. Ah! Jesus Christ! It hit me! It hit me! Oh my God! What? Please don't fail. What was that? Why did it go that way? Oh God. Why are you trying to hit the tree again? Yeah, the sticks! Poor birdies! Yeah. Is that? No, that's going in the pool. Now we've got this one.
It's not even leaving the car.
It lit up the whole. Jesus Christ!
I've got loads of it to go.
I don't like the look of that angle. That's exactly why I hate the sticks. Second stick? I mean, that's not a stick. Wow. These sticks. Oh! stick.
Oh, that one. Oh!
Sunday.
Yeah.
It's a low stick.
Jeez. Lucky Lucas, the legend. My new nickname is Lucky Lucas, the legend. Wow! Poor thing! Another stick. Ah! Wow! Oh, jeez! Wow! Wow. Oh, God. Stick, stick, stick. Oh!
The green stick. Lucas.
What?
The green sticks are really good.
Green stick.
Are they?
Yeah.
The large.
Really low. I got a close angle on that.
Oh, but
God.
Oh my! Why did it do that?
It's not even leaving the garden, I think.
Oh my God, that was
Oh,
Oh, I missed. Ow, my eyeball! Whoa! I got it!
I'm gonna warm it.
Oh, jeez.
So I'm trying to get this mess sorted out.
It got stuck again. It doesn't take off.
One more here.